Hi guys, I've recorded drums for my band, and right now I am editing drums, and I have 7 channels for drums. What I didn't find online is when you do a loop recording. I'm gonna show you how we've done it. But when you do a loop recording, how you edit all the tracks at the same time. I couldn't find that online, but I found out how, and it's actually very simple. And I'll show you the setting how to do it. But first, I'm going to show you out here the tracks that we have. They start here with overhang left, overhang right, and then they go down, so you can see the loops. So at first I started moving the one that I want to move and then all the other ones separately and try to match them, but that's just stupid. Overhang right is where I have the hi-hat, and since this part of the drums is basically just and a little bit of like crashes, just you can listen to it. It's a bass line that goes to it that I just recorded to make it tight, so it's not very sexy, but it's still. So here comes this part of the track, and I'll show you how I made the function so you can edit all these tracks at once, these 7 tracks, and pick out the parts that you want. So I'm gonna mute this, lower this bass. So here you hear there are some things right now because of the editing. So these drums, when I do this editing, I want to work on overhang right, but I want it to happen on all of them at the same time. And to do that, you have to group them first. So you take all these drums and you choose a group. In this case, I got group 1, drums 1, and then you have to go into the groups. I can show you, just double click on them. Here's drums 1, and then you go to settings, and you just make sure that this little box is ticked. That's it. When you do that, then you can, if you don't do it, then you have to do all of these tracks separately. But now, when I go into overhang right, and let's say I take this part, you see that it becomes on all the other ones. The same thing happens. Now I do not want that, so that one should go away. And I guess here I'm going to listen through this one, but it's a very simple thing. So what you do is, I'm gonna show you on the other one because we have loop recorded this one, and then I have it here also, 7 tracks, which I have grouped. This is group 2, so we open group settings, we go to this one, and I take this box, and now I can edit all at once, all these 7 tracks. So that's it. Thanks guys. I hope that this little tutorial, or whatever you want to call it, helped you. It took me a short while to figure it out, but okay, ciao, bye guys.